Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, where we're showing you things that have come into the shop or are going out. Make sure you go to our site, mumfordrestoration.com, and take a look at some of the things that we restore and bring us something to fix. So here is what we call the Swan sofa. And you see how it has the beautiful swan neck on the front and on both sides. And it has a secondary roll there, which is just a beautiful design. We're thinking 1850s. And it has a crotch mahogany. The customer has asked us to keep the wood original, so we've only oiled it. So the wood could be refinished, but the customer is saying they want to keep the wood looking old, and they picked a fabulous fabric. This is really traditional. You know, the burgundy velvet just looks awesome. So we're grateful that we had this piece turn out so well. It looks just the way the customer wants it. So thanks for watching.